Smart Keypad Door Lock. With handle, keyless entry door. Lock for front door, electronic. Digital door lock, code door lock, easy installation. Brand nice digit. Special feature easy installation in minutes. One-touch lock. Backlit keypad, passcode unlock. Anti-peeping passwordless installation in minutes. One-touch lock. Backlit keypad, passcode unlock. Lock type keypad. Item dimensions LXWXH 5.39x, 2.79x 2.7 inches. Material aluminum. Keyless entry. Provide access to up to 20 unique password for your family or friends, and create temporary codes for guests to use. You can also use a key duplicable to unlock your digital lock. 5 minutes easy installation. Fits most American home front wooden doors. Quickly replace the handle, knob or deadbolt of your existing door lock set with just a screwdriver. Reversible handle fit both left and right-handed doors. Keypad door lock. Upgraded backlit keyboard with low battery alert. Silent mode and vacation mode, water resistant. Requires for *AA batteries not included, with a battery life of up to 1 year. Smart locking features. Set the auto lock to lock in 5 to 99 seconds. And use the one-touch locking number for 2 seconds. Satisfaction service. Nice Digi Smart Lock provides reliable security and style. With a 30-day money-back, 1-year product coverage, and lifetime after-sales support, you can trust your investment is protected. Get the ultimate security solution for your home today. Ease of installation and use. No app setup needed, just following the instructions for easy setup via the keypad. The Z1A Smart Lock installs in 5 minutes with just a screwdriver. Digit passwords. Permanent or one-time PIN code use. Duplicate keys for convenience. Offering a hassle-free lifestyle for you and your family. No extra drilling needed. Feature by pressing any keypad. Up to 20 codes for 8.